Yes, all of you, very good evening. Welcome back to session of engineering drawing. All of you, I hope you are eagerly waiting for the session. Okay. Let's wait for one more minute because some people are joining the class slowly. Let me intimate in the group once again. Okay, one second. Okay, everything is fine. So come on, all of you, please join the session. Make it fast, all of you. Today we have a very important session. Come on, students, come on, join the session, please make it fast, all of you, everybody in the class. Yes. So I'm having live chat with me, all of you. You can just ask me the doubts, no need to worry. Hello everyone. Okay, so all of you, as I told already, the class will be definitely in the exam point of view only. Okay, all of you, the class will be definitely in the exam point of view only. Okay, so definitely it is nothing but a challenge, all of you. Definitely from this session, from each session, you will be definitely scoring one question required in semester examination. Okay, so one question is confirmed in the semester examination, all of you, from today's class. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the construction of ellipse. Okay, so first of all, I am going to discuss about rectangle or oblong method. Okay, so ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ తెలుగులో క్లాస్ చెప్పొచ్చండి, కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే కొంతమంది అదర్ స్టేట్స్ వాళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. సో దానికోసం నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ యూజ్ సింపుల్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఓకే, సో ఆబ్లాంగ్ మెథడ్, రైట్? Ellipse. Okay, all of you. So come on, all of you. Don't leave the classroom. Just stay in the classroom for more time. Please stay till the end of the class. Okay, then you can understand the benefit of the class, all of you. Okay, so my dear students, I am going for rectangle or the oblong method. Point number 1. Okay, right. So in the examination, for example, if you have 4 number of sets, set number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in this 4 number of sets, definitely 2 sets in 2 number of sets. Okay, definitely he will be giving a question from the rectangle or the oblong method. Okay, so for the construction of ellipse by using rectangle or oblong method, what we need actually the major axis AB. At the same time, we need minor axis CD. Okay, but sometimes in place of minor axis, in the examination, distance between the focus points will be given for you. Okay, again repeating, all of you, generally I am saying, for the construction of ellipse by using rectangle method, we need major axis and minor axis only in minimum. Okay, but sometimes in the examination, in place of this minor axis, definitely the distance between the focus points will be given for you. Okay, if the distance is given for you, what to do, I will say. Okay, if the distance is given for you, what to do, I will say. Just have some patience. Okay, so all of you, let me wish once again. Okay, now just see here. I'm having major axis with me, first of all. Okay, so this is the major axis line I'm drawing. Okay, and this is the minor axis line I'm drawing. Okay, so this will be major. At the same time, this will be our minor axis. Okay, so all of you, I'm having my phone with me. Okay, I am looking into my phone. If you have any doubts, you can just post your doubts in the live chat. Okay, all of you, in the live chat, I will definitely answer the questions. Okay, so please try to do that. Now, let AB be the major axis, all of you. Let CD be the minor axis. Okay, now draw the lines. Listen carefully. Very simple. But all of you, the point is, many students are getting confused in the construction procedure. Okay, but I can say one thing, all of you, from this session, one question is confirmed in the semester examination. B.Tech semester examination, first year. Okay, now parallel to CD, you draw a line passing through A. Parallel to CD, you draw one more line passing through A. Next, parallel to AB, you draw one more line passing through C. Parallel to AB, you draw one more line passing through D. Okay, all of you, right? Now, I am marking these points as, one second, some point E, some point F, some point G, and some point H. Okay, all of you, perfect. Now, let O be the center of the rectangle. Okay, now just see here. Listen carefully what I am saying. Divide AO and AE. Divide AO and AE into same number of equal divisions. Okay, in the examination, AB will be given, CD will be given. By AB and CD, you can go for construction of the ellipse. But the point is what, we have to divide this AO and AE into same number of divisions. Okay, so therefore here you have to understand how to divide a straight line into same number of divisions, all of you. Okay, now I will just say how to divide a straight line into same number of divisions. Okay, just see here. How to divide a straight line into equal number of divisions. Okay, so I'm having a line like this. Listen carefully, I'm having a line like this. Okay, let the line length be, for example, AB here. AB I'm representing. Let this length be, for example, some 70 mm. I am taking it as 70 mm. I want to divide this 70 mm into some 8 number of divisions. 8 divisions. Can you do it directly with a scale? No. Because 70 by 8 will be always some decimal value, all of you. So therefore, we have to go for a method. Very simple. Again, I am repeating, all of you. I have to divide this AB line of length 70 mm into 8 number of divisions. Okay, very simple. From the starting point of the line, you just draw a line, okay, of some approximate length. Approximate length you can draw, approximate length you can take, approximate length you can draw, okay, at an angle, how much, theta, such that, here I am writing, all of you, your theta should be lying in between 20 degrees to 40 degrees. 40. You fix some angle, it can be 20 or 30 or 40, it can be any angle. 30 fix cheyandi. You fix 30. Okay. If you see, you just go for only one single angle throughout the entire exam. Okay. See, shall I say one point, all of you? In the previous question papers, he was asking a question. He was asking a short answer question for you. You know what is the question there? The question is, divide a straight line of length 70 mm into 8 number of division. This is given for 3 marks or 4 marks. It was given actually. A short answer question is given. See, I am giving guarantee, all of you, from the engineering drawing subject, even you can score full marks. 100 marks also you can score. Okay. You cannot score in physics, you cannot score in chemistry, you cannot score in English. Of course, you can score in mathematics, but here also you can score definitely. Okay. So, All of you, what I'm trying to say is, so please try to concentrate. So please try to concentrate on, yes, one second. So please try to concentrate on engineering drawing, all of you. So if you do that, definitely you can score full marks in the semester examination. That is the case. Now, let us see how to divide. Okay. Now, how many divisions we have to do? We have to divide into 8 divisions. Therefore, just simply mark 8 number of points on the line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the value of each division? You better take it as some 1 centimeter each. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. So on, everything is 1 centimeter. But the point is what, these things should be equidistant. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter should be equidistant only. Okay? So you do one thing. I want to divide this line into 8 number of divisions. You simply do one thing. You draw a line of 8 centimeters. Draw a line of 8 centimeters at an angle. 30 degrees you can just fix throughout the entire semester examination. Okay. And mark 8 points on the line. And after marking that, what you will do? You just draw a line like this. 1. Okay. Join 8 and join B. Next, parallel to this line, draw a line from 7, draw a line from 6, draw a line from 5, draw a line from 4, okay, draw a line from 3, draw a line from 2, and from, that's it. Okay, so now I can get the corresponding points all if you like this here. So 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, this one is 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and then we have here 8 dash. Over. So this is the perfect way how to divide a straight line into equal number of divisions. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry all of you. Yes. Okay, now the very important discussion starts. Okay, now I'm dividing this. Yes, I hope you understand how to divide a straight line to equal parts. One is AO and one is AE. Now I am dividing this AO into some 4 parts. Okay, don't go for more than 4 in the exam. If you go for more than 4, you will be getting more than 4 points on the curve. My suggestion is just blindly fix only 4 points. If you go for more than 4, you will understand what will happen. Okay, now just see here. You divide this AO into some 4 number of divisions. So what you will do in that case? Very simple. You just draw a line. How much? 4 centimeter line. Because I want to divide this one into 4 number of divisions, I am drawing a 4 centimeter line. Okay. Now just mark some points of 1 centimeter each. Mark some points here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1 second. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. That's it. Or you can go for some approximate length and you can mark 4 points there also. No need to worry all of you. That is also fine. Okay. Now just join these points here. 1. Okay. These 2 I am joining. After joining these 2, okay, you draw a line parallel to the previous line. Okay. Again, I'm repeating all of you. Parallel to this line, I am drawing a line from here. Okay. So next, parallel to this line, I am drawing a line from here. Next, parallel to this line, I am drawing a line from here also. Over. Okay. Now mark the points, all of you. Very simple. Mark the points here. The points are 1, 2, 3, nothing but the 4. 4 points are there. Okay. So next. Divide AE into same 4 number of divisions like this. Okay. It is your wish. You can mark it anyway. You can just, but be careful with the angles, all of you, and the lines. Okay. At the end of the session, I will say how to use the pencils also clearly. Okay. Don't leave the classroom till the end. Enjoy the benefits of the classroom. Enjoy the benefits of Oblong method. Okay, my dear students, all of you, that is over. Now, mark 4 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, or some 4 centimeter like this. Okay. So next, what you will do? Join this one. Join this one. Draw a line parallel. Okay. Draw a line parallel over all of you. What's the point? Okay. See, I will just say a point for you. For this line, this is the end point. For this one, this is the end point. You have to join these 2 endpoints. And what is the angle here? Angle less than 40. More than 20, you can take any angle, all of you. Okay. And for this one also, the angle has to become definitely 20. That's it. Okay. So now here I am marking the things as 1 second. That is 1. Here I am marking directly. So 1 dash you can take. Next 2 dash. 1 second. Go from bottom. Okay. So here I am marking 1 dash. 2 dash. 3 dash. This is nothing but what? 4 dash. That's it. Okay. So now all of you. Be careful. Okay. And listen. Okay. From this point B, draw a line joining 1. Okay. So next D2, 2. D2, 3. D2, 4. Already we have a line. D2, 4. Already we have a line. No need to join. No need to extend. Okay. Now join C to 1 dash. C 2 dash. C 3 dash. Perfect. Okay. So next, already we have drawn a line that is nothing but what? C1. You extend this C1 up to this point. Sorry, D1. Okay. You extend this D1 up to this point. You extend this D2 up to this point. You extend this D3 up to this point. Okay. Now, you can see some intersection points here, all of you, that is point P1, point P2, and point P3. Okay. And if you just join these 3 points here, okay, starting from point A to P1, 1 second, P1, P2, P3, and then you can go for 1/4 part of the ellipse. I got 1/4 part. So 25% of the ellipse is over. Okay. So where this becomes what? The point P1, the point P2, and the point is what? Nothing but P3. Are you following, all of you? Perfect. Now, 1 quadrant is over. Now we have to go for remaining 3 quadrants. Very simple. Okay. So my suggestion is what, if you divide AO and AE, you are getting 25% of the ellipse. You are getting 1 quadrant of the ellipse. 1 quadrant. For remaining 3 quadrants, no need to divide. Just listen carefully what I am saying. You can save definitely some time in the exam, all of you, and you can understand what you are saying. Okay. What I am saying. Okay. Now just see 1 second. That is the case. Okay, all of you. Over. Next, listen carefully what I am saying. Okay, so from P1 just draw a line. P1 just draw a line. P2 draw a line. P3 you draw a line. Okay, are you getting the points, all of you? Now listen carefully what I am saying. Measure the distance from P1 to this point. Again I am repeating. To understand clearly, you can do one thing directly. Take compass. You measure distance from here to here. You measure distance from here to here. Okay, you take this distance. All of you. Okay, and then what you will do? Okay, and you take this point as center. Take this point as center and cut this line. You take this one as radius and this one as center, cut this line. Therefore, I am just cutting this one, all of you. Very simple. You see here, this one. That's it. Okay. Again, I am repeating. Measure this distance in the compass. You take compass. You take this value as radius and this point as center. Cut this line. Next, take this value as radius. This point as center. Cut this line. Okay. Therefore, you can just see here, all of you. If we just cut this point. Okay, then that's it. You can get remaining 25% of the ellipse, all of you. I am marking it as point P4. Next, P5. Next thing is what? P6. Okay, so next thing is here I am marking the lines, vertical lines. 1, light lines. Light lines are very important. 1. Next one is 2. Okay, so next 1, 2, 3. Okay, all of you. Now just see here. I am taking this point as center. Listen carefully. This point as center and this value as radius. This point as center and this value as radius in the compass. You just cut this line. Okay. Next, again, I am taking this value as radius and this point as center. You cut this line. Okay. In the same way, this point as center, this value as radius. Okay. And then cut this line. You'll be getting definitely things like this. Okay. Anyway, some part of this we can get. That's it. Okay. Red line or blue line doesn't matter, all of you. Okay. But I'm just trying to say some shortcuts for you all. Shortcuts చెప్తున్నానండి. ఈ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ మీరు కనుక యూజ్ చేస్తే చాలా తక్కువ టైంలో మీకు ఎలిప్స్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే యూ కెన్ మార్క్ సమ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ పాయింట్స్ హియర్. ఏదో పాయింట్స్ పెట్టుకోండి, ఏబిసి లేదా P1, P2, P3 ఆర్ P7, P8, P9 మీ ఇష్టం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే నౌ యూ కెన్ డూ వన్ థింగ్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వన్ యూ డ్రా ఎ లైన్. ఓకే, వన్ సెకండ్. కలర్, draw a line. Okay, then definitely you can get some intersection points here. Okay, this one. Now see the P6 kabatti you can take it as P7, next P8, next one P9, next one P10, P11, P12. Perfect. Over all of you. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please you can ask me, all of you. I am just looking into my phone. I am in the live chat. All of you can just ask me any questions, please. Okay. So ఇంతకు ముందు నేను క్లాసెస్ తెలుగులో చెప్పానండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే some students are coming from other states also. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్స్ నడుస్తున్నాయి ఇప్పుడు. ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. చాలామంది ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ వెళ్ళలేని పరిస్థితి. చాలామంది ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నారు. మిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, చాలా ఎగ్జామ్స్, ల్యాబ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఇప్పుడే ఉన్నాయి. అయితే ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పే క్లాస్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది రికార్డ్ అయ్యి ఉండిపోతుంది. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ క్లాస్ ఎనీ టైమ్ త్రూ అవుట్ యువర్ లైఫ్. ఓకే, ఎనీ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ లిసన్ టు ద క్లాస్. Okay, all of you. So now I'm just joining these points, all of you. So D2, P9, P8, P7. This becomes the case. All of you. We got a perfect ellipse. Okay. So this oblong method can be asked for minimum 7 to 8 marks in the exam. నేను చూపిస్తాను ఇప్పుడు. ఐ విల్ సాల్వ్ ద ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆల్సో ఫర్ టుడే డెఫినెట్లీ. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ హోప్ యూ టెల్ మీ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ మెథడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. అసలు ఈ ఆబ్లాంగ్ మెథడ్లో మనం తెలుసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే, ఇఫ్ యూ జస్ట్ నో హౌ టు డివైడ్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ఇంటూ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డివిజన్స్ చాలండి. ఓకే, సో ఈ రెండు లైన్స్ ఏఓ అండ్ ఏఈ ఈ రెండు కనుక మీరు డివైడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఒక్క 10 minutesలో మీకు ఎలిప్స్ మొత్తం వచ్చేస్తుందండి. 100% గ్యారంటీ. ఓకే, సో ఐ గేవ్ 7 to 8 marks ఫర్ యూ టుడే టు ద సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్. 100% మోస్ట్లీ 4 సెట్స్లో 2 సెట్స్లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది, 2 సెట్స్లో క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది. కానీ దీంతో పాటు he will be definitely asking the tangent and normal also. చెప్తా. Okay, he will be definitely asking the tangent and normal also. That is the picture. Okay, now we have cleared this method. So today we came to understand what is the oblong method, or also called as rectangle method అండి. ఓకే, అయిపోయింది. అయితే now just see, I will solve a question which is from previous question paper problem. Okay, one second. ఒక్క నిమిషం, have patience. So please invite your friends, all of you, invite your friends. Okay, so yes, all of you please check this question. Everybody have to check this question. Question check చేయండి. Can you see this one? I will just change the position one second. Yes, now can you see this? I'll enlarge. This question is given for 7 marks. 7 marks anta. Next question lo I will go for tangent normal. Okay, no need to worry, all of you. This is given for 7 marks. You can check it, all of you. One second. Intimate చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. I can understand some students are having semester examination. They are busy. I know very well, but no need to worry, all of you. Even though if you are not able to follow the class, you can listen to the class afterwards. Okay, and definitely you can score good marks in the semester examination. No need to worry, all of you. See what you were saying in this question. Okay, so very simple question, all of you. I want to say one thing clearly here, that is we have to go for a scaling లో వెళ్ళాలి. చెప్తాను చూడండి, all of you. Just see here. Okay, right. I think it is visible, it is clear. Okay, come on, reply, talk with me, discuss with me, ask some questions. I am here with you, feel free. Okay, yes. Here, all of you, a plot of land. We have a land. Okay, land అంటే చిన్న ఏరియా on the land is in the shape of a rectangle of 110 meters by 65 meters. Inscribe an elliptical fish point on it. Okay, we have a rectangle land. ఈ rectangle land లో we have to just go for a shape of elliptical shape లో పాండ్ ని లేఅవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, you know, all of you, అంటారు కదా ఫిష్ పాండ్. చేపల చెరువు అంటారు కదా, ఫిష్ పాండ్. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు జస్ట్ ఇన్స్క్రైబ్ అన్ ఎలిప్టికల్ షేప్ ఆఫ్ ఫిష్ పాండ్ ఇన్ ఏ రెక్టాంగిల్. బట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే, వాట్ ఆర్ ద డైమెన్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద రెక్టాంగిల్? డైమెన్షన్స్ ప్లీజ్. 110 meters by 65 meters. అసలు 110 మీటర్స్ని మీరు డ్రాయింగ్ షీట్లో డ్రా చేయగలరా? 110 meters ఇన్ ద డ్రాయింగ్ షీట్ వీ కెనాట్ డ్రా అండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ టు డ్రా. మరి ఏం చేయాలి? How to bring out? We have to definitely go for the scaling factor. Scaling. Chuttan shuvandi, very simple. Okay, you can do one thing, all of you just is, one second. In the examination, మీరు స్కేల్ కంపల్సరీ మార్చాలి. ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం, చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నారు. వన్ సెకండ్. I was just typing. 1 second, please, all of you. Yes. Scale. I think you can see this one clearly, all of you. Yes. Scale. We are taking it as 1 meter is equal to 1 mm. ఓకే, ఇది మీరు ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో స్పెసిఫై చేయాలి. డెఫినెట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్పెసిఫై. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో మీరు కంపల్సరీగా దీన్ని స్పెసిఫై చేయాలి, లేకపోతే మార్క్స్ రావు. ఓకే, అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే, వీఆర్ అజ్యూమింగ్ 1 meter యాజ్ 1 mm. అంటే ఫైనల్లీ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే, హియర్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ 110 meter by 65 meter is definitely equal to what? 110 mm. Okay, by 65 mm. Very simple. And this question is given for 7 marks. 7 marks in the semester examination, set number 4. 7 marks ఇచ్చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు మనం చేసింది అదే. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? వెరీ సింపుల్. వాట్ టు డూ? వెరీ సింపుల్. డ్రా ఏ లైన్ ఆఫ్ 110 mm. 110 mm. Okay, and you can take it as major axis, all of you. Okay, and you can draw a line of 65 mm like this. That is point C and then point D. That is a picture. Okay, therefore again I am saying clearly, all of you, this one is AB and here I am writing. This one is AB 110 mm. Okay, and this one has to become definitely CD. Now everything anta same and everything, you know, as usual. You draw a line parallel to this one, parallel to this one. Okay, next parallel to this one, next parallel to this one. That's over. Okay, now just now I told all of you how to go for construction of ellipse. Rectangle ganaka unte, okay, so rectangle ganaka unte, definitely thank you Shamshuddin, thank you so much. Okay, rectangle ganaka unte, definitely you can have the construction of oblong method. Okay, just now you can just see, just go for the class for 5 minutes before you choose the, I told how to go for the construction of ellipse in this way. Very simple. Okay, all of you, now I am going for second question. Already this method is over, you can check there. Okay, so next, this one is very important, we will discuss in detail. Yes, now all of you, the major and minor axes of the ellipse are 120 and 70 respectively. Dimensions are given in terms of mm only. Happy. Okay, mm iste edi convert cheyalsina avasaram ledu, but take care about scaling factor, all of you. Find the foci and draw the ellipse using arc of circles method. Okay, very good. Okay, draw a tangent and normal to the ellipse at a point 40 mm above the major axis. Now in this problem I will be discussing about how to go for the construction of ఆర్క్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్స్ మెథడ్. చెప్పాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు మనం చేసేదంతా కూడా ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూనే. ఓకే, మెథడ్ ఏంటో తెలుసుకోండి, మెథడ్ ఎలాగో తెలుసుకోండి. ఓకే, ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సాల్వ్ చేయండి చాలు, అందుకని ఇంకేం అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, go for a practice, just go for the examination hall, that's it. So we are here with you, no need to worry. We will take care about engineering drawing and engineering mechanics, all of you. So if you just attend the full classes of the entire course, we will definitely provide the full marks for, no need to worry about. Okay, thank you Samshuddin sir, thank you so much. Okay, okay, I am going for arc of circles method, all of you. One second. Very important method, all of you. Some confusions are there for you, I can understand. Okay, but no need to worry, I will avoid all the confusions for you, no need to worry. Okay, right, perfect. Okay, so now here here actually major axis AB is given. How much, please? Can take it as 120. Can you see this one, all of you? Can you see it, the size? Okay, yes, 120 mm is the major axis given for you. But the point is what, distance between the focus is also called as fixed points. Focus anna fixed point anna okate. Okay, distance between f1 f2 is given as 70 mm and adi ento chuddam. I'll explain clearly, no need to worry, all of you. I am here with no need to worry. Okay, so focus ganaka unte, ఓకే, మేజర్ యాక్స్ ఎలా వస్తుంది, మైనర్ యాక్స్ ఎలా వస్తుంది, అది నేను చెప్తాను, కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ లెట్ మీ గో ఫర్ ద పాయింట్స్ హియర్. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ డ్రాయింగ్ ద మేజర్ యాక్స్ హియర్. మేజర్ యాక్స్ ఉంది, ఇచ్చేసాడు, మేజర్ యాక్స్ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చేసాడు. ఏంట్రా అంటే ఏ అండ్ దెన్ బి, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే, నౌ జస్ట్ మార్క్ ద సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఓ ఫర్ ఏబి. వాట్ ఈస్ టోటల్ వాల్యూ వీ హ్యావ్? 120. So mark a point at 60 from the point A. Therefore AO is how much? All of 60 mm is the point. Okay, clear? Okay, so next, what is fixed? F1 F distance entante 70 mm undi. Idi 70 mm kabatti em chestarante, okay, you take 70 by 2. 70 by 2 entra 35. Okay, you take point O as center. Okay, and cut this line on both sides. ఇదేంట్రా అంటే ఫోర్స్ F1, ఇదేంట్రా అంటే ఫోర్స్ F2. నాట్ ఫోర్స్, ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్, ఫోకస్ పాయింట్. ఓకే, అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, దిస్ ఈజ్ 35 and this is also 35. 35 and 35, that's it. Are you following, please? Yes. They gave directly minor axis. No, please check it. Okay, sorry. 1 second. They gave minor axis, all of you. 1 second. I thought it as F1, F2. 1 second. Okay, they gave minor axis. How much it is? CD. Thank you, Niharika. Thank you. CD is how much, all of you? 70 mm. That's it. Minor axis is given. Now I am having a question for you. If minor axis is given, how we can bring out fixed points? Okay, first of all, mark the minor axis, all of you. I am marking the minor axis here. 1 second. Sometimes no need to worry, happen like that. Okay, so this is the point C, all of you. This is the point D. CD. Okay, what is the value of CD? 70. What is the value of AB? 120. Okay, now we have a property. What is the property? If you take any point on the ellipse, from that point to the focus point, okay, that will be always equal to half of the major axis. Listen carefully what I am writing here. Okay, so AO, listen carefully, I am writing here, AO will be always equal to CF1. This proof is not required now. If you want to get this proof, if you want to just see this proof, check my previous classes. Proof is given actually. Now I am discussing in the exam point of view only. Are you following, all of you? Yes. Yeah. Someone is asking a question. Nitin Kumar, sir, should we write scale lettering in the vertical lettering with dimensions? Yes, definitely. Yes, I told just now scaling. Just before we in the before problem we have scaling. Yes. Okay. Definitely you have to draw this one in dimension lines like this. 1 second. These are actually called as guidelines. Lettering is very important. Okay. Guideline. Okay. And you can take this height. Listen carefully. This height you can take it as 7 mm or 5 mm. Anything you can take. This height you can take it as 5 mm or 7 mm. No need to worry. But you should write this one at the bottom of the figure. This should be mentioned. We have to write in the exam hall. Otherwise, how do the invigilator will understand? How do the examiner will understand? Examiner will understand that the scale you are assuming, all of you. Okay. Definitely you have to do. Okay. Nitin Kumar, I hope you understand. Niharika, thank you so much. Thank you. So please forward this session to everyone, all of you. Okay. Next. So please forward this session to maximum and tell them to join the class. Okay. Now, this point you have to remember. Okay. AY is always equal to how much? C to F1. You do one thing, all of you. You just take AY as radius. AO radius తీసుకోండి. ఈ పాయింట్ C సెంటర్ తీసుకొని ఈ AO లైన్ ని కట్ చేయండి. Again I am repeating. Take AO as radius, C as center, cut this line. Okay. Here I am taking it as simply F1. In the same way, definitely what happens, this will be also equal to CF2 only. Okay. Or we can do one more thing like this. Okay. That is very simple. Now, B to O is definitely equal to what? CF2. But obviously what AO is nothing but BO. Both are same only. These two are equal only. These two are same. Therefore definitely these two will be same. Okay. So very simple and very simple. Point చేయండి. Point గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. You take BO as radius, C as center, cut this line. Are you following, all of you? Okay. లేదు. You take AO as radius, C as center, cut this line at both the ends. Again repeating. Take AO as radius, C as center, cut this line on both the ends. Okay, so here I am just cutting this line. 1 second. Dentra babu ante nothing but the point F2. Are you following, all of you? Yes. Okay. Nitin Kumar, Niharika, thank you for participating. I hope you understand these things, all of you, clearly. This picture. Okay. So next what you will do? Very simple. After F1, you mark some points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enough. Okay. Of 1 centimeter each. You can take 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, doesn't matter, but it should be definitely equidistant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, not 5, 1 second, 5, 6, 7. ఒకసారి మీకు ఈ 5 పాయింట్ ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ కోయిన్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. కోయిన్సైడ్ అయితే అవనేమో, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే. సో రూల్ అయితే ఏమీ లేదు. ది రీజన్ వచ్చే రూల్ ఎట్ ఆల్. కోయిన్సైడ్ అవ్వకపోవచ్చు. ఓకే. సో ఏఓ కావాలి, సారీ ఏబి ఇచ్చాడు, సిడి ఇచ్చాడు. సిడిని యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం F1, F2 మార్క్ చేసాం. ఓకే. సో దీనికి డెరివేషన్ కూడా ఉంది. యూ కెన్ చెక్ ఆల్ మై ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్. ఓకే. ఇది యూజ్ చేసి మీకు కంపల్సరీ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే, యూ టేక్, లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్. యూ టేక్ A1 యాజ్ రేడియస్. టేక్ A1 యాజ్ రేడియస్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఓకే. సో A1 రేడియస్ తీసుకోండి. టేక్ A1 యాజ్ రేడియస్, A1 యాజ్ రేడియస్, F1 యాజ్ సెంటర్, F1 యాజ్ సెంటర్, డ్రా ద ఆర్క్స్. Again I am repeating. A1 as radius, F1 as center, draw the arcs. Okay, marking 1, 2. Okay, arc. Next what you will do? Very simple. Just see here. You take B2 1 as radius. Again, repeating all of you. Take B2 1 as radius, F2 as center. Cut the previous arcs. Again repeating. Okay, A1 as radius, F1 as center. Draw the arcs. Next, B2 1 as radius, F2 as center. Cut these arcs. Cutting. Are you following? So here I am writing all of you clearly. Krasnanandi. A1. Okay. Next B1. Or you can write one thing clearly. A1 as radius, F1 as center. Next B1 as radius, F2 as center. I hope you are enjoying the class, all of you, very well. Okay. Let's see what's happening here. A1 comma B1. Okay. So what about next one? Next point. Simply go for A2 and B2. Okay. So A2 2. A2 as radius, F1 as center. Draw the arcs. Okay. Next B2 as radius, F2 as center. Cut the previous arcs. Okay. So here I am marking all of you the arcs, please. Okay, F2 as center, cut the arcs. Okay, so here I am writing again, that is, can you see this one? Yes. Again I am writing all of you here, that is A2 F1, next B2. F2. That is the case. Next. Have patience. I will say tangent normal here. Okay. So next, A2 3 as radius, F1 as center. Draw the arcs. Next, B2 3 as radius, F2 as center. Cut the arcs. Very simple. What you will do now, all of you? Just draw the part of your ellipse. Approximate. I am not using any drafter here, okay? Approximate. No need to worry about it. Okay, 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. Arc of circle method is with the free hand, nobody can draw. We have to mark with the compass, that's it. Okay, so next what you will do? Same repeat the thing for A3, B3, A4, B4, A5, B5, A6, A7, A6, B6, A7, B7, A8, B8, then definitely you can get the remaining part of the curve like this. That is the case. Okay, all of you? Yes, no? Okay, so the construction of the ellipse by arc of circles method is over. Now I am going for tangent normal. Just see what you were saying in the question. Draw a tangent and normal at a point on the ellipse 40 mm above the major axis. Can I say all of you this becomes the major axis or not? This is the major axis. So this is the major axis, all of you. Okay. సో ఈ మేజర్ యాక్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి 40 mm అబోవ్ ఉంటున్నాయండి. ఏం చేస్తారండి, సింపుల్గా ఏం చేస్తారంటే, 1 సెకండ్, వెరీ సింపుల్ అండి. ఎస్, మేజర్ యాక్స్ నుంచి 40 mm అబోవ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో 40 mm అబోవ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేయండి. దిస్ ఇస్ యాక్చువల్లీ 40 mm. 40 mm. above. Okay, so very simple. Again, I am explaining all of you. ఇది మేజర్ యాక్స్ అండి. మేజర్ యాక్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి 40 mm అబోవ్లో ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేయండి. ఈ లైన్ డ్రా చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ లైన్ అనేది ఎలిప్స్ని 2 పాయింట్లు కట్ చేస్తుంది. కానీ 2 పాయింట్స్ మనకు అవసరంలా, ఏదైనా ఒక పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటే చాలు, ఏదైనా తీసుకుంటే చాలు. ఓకే, సో ఇదన్నా తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఏదైనా మీ ఇష్టం తీసుకోవచ్చు. అది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ క్లియర్లీ. ఓకే, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ పీ దగ్గర మనం ట్యాంజెంట్ డ్రా చేయాలి, అది విషయం. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఓకే, ఈ పీ దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి. ఓకే, ఈ పీ దగ్గర నుంచి ఫ్రమ్ పీ యూ డ్రా ఏ లైన్ టు F1, ఓకే, అండ్ యూ డ్రా ఏ లైన్ టు F2. మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నానండి. ఓకే, యూ డ్రా ఏ లైన్ టు F1 అండ్ యూ డ్రా ఏ లైన్ టు F2. F1కి F2కి లైన్ డ్రా చేయండి. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే వెరీ సింపుల్ అండి, యూ మెజర్ దిస్ యాంగిల్. ఎంతో మెజర్ చేయండి, మీరు మెజర్ చేయాలి. ఎలా మెజర్ చేస్తారు? మెజర్ విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రొట్రాక్టర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ యాంగిల్ తీటా, ఈ యాంగిల్ తీటా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అనుకుందాం, లెట్ ద యాంగిల్ బి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ సమ్ 75 degrees అనుకుందాం 75. ఓకే, ఫర్ దిస్ యాంగిల్ 75 యూ ట్రై టు డ్రా ఎ బైసెక్టార్. ఈ 75కి బైసెక్టార్ డ్రా చేయండి. బైసెక్టార్ అంటే ఏంట్రా? ఎగ్జాక్ట్ హాఫ్ యాంగిల్లో ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేయాలి. డ్రా చేస్తాను. ఐఎమ్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఎ బైసెక్టార్. బైసెక్టార్ అంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఓకే, సో ఇది 75 కాబట్టి 1 సెకండ్. సో ఇది 75 కాబట్టి ఇదేమవుతుంది డెఫినెట్లీ 37.5. At the same time, this will also become 37.5 angle. Just it divides the angle into 2 equal parts. Okay, now this is nothing but what you know, your normal to the ellipse. ఇక్కడ ఏమైందంటే ఫస్ట్ నార్మల్ వస్తుంది, తర్వాత ట్యాంజెంట్ వస్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ నార్మల్ అండ్ ట్యాంజెంట్? యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్? 90. కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుందంటే జస్ట్ యూ డ్రా ఎ లైన్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు దిస్ వన్. That's it. Over. ఓకే, సో హౌ టు డ్రా ఏ ట్యాంజెంట్? నార్మల్గా చెప్పాను, ట్యాంజెంట్ ఎలా వస్తుందండి? డ్రాఫ్టర్ స్కేల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? వాట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ ద డ్రాఫ్టర్ స్కేల్స్? హారిజాంటల్, వర్టికల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ దమ్? 90. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ 90 degrees యాంగిల్ అండి. దిస్ బికమ్స్ అన్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ హౌ మచ్? 90. I can say, 1 second, this angle is perfectly 90. Okay, therefore this becomes what you know, your tangent T dash. Okay, all of you, are you following everybody? Right, therefore I can say this is the construction procedure for the arc of circle method. Or గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి all of you, always F1 F2 are centers. Take radius A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. Next B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Okay, all of you. మీరు ముందు నుంచి వెనక్కి వెళ్ళవచ్చు, వెనక నుంచి కూడా ముందు రావచ్చు. ఓకే, ఎనీవే యూ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ ఆస్క్ మీ. ఓకే, ఎనీ డౌట్స్ అడగొచ్చు all of you. So please, yeah, I gave the solutions, I gave the, what we can say, all the things for you. Doubts adigaru cheppanu. Any more doubts you can just ask. Okay, but for arc of circles method, what we need is major axis and distance between fixed points. Distance between fixed points kanaka ఇవ్వకపోతే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? We have to determine that one, we have to market that one. I told clearly. ఒక గుర్తుపెట్టుకో, వెరీ సింపుల్ పాయింట్ చెప్తామేనండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత అయితే ఉందో అంటే హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ విల్ బి ఆల్వేస్ ఈక్వల్ టు CF1. అలాగే దట్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు CF2 ఆల్సో. ఆర్ ఇంకో పాయింట్ చెప్పొచ్చు, హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు CF2 అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎంత ఉంటుందో ఇది కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి CF1 will be equal to CF2. We have a property of ellipse. Now we are looking with respect to exam point of view. ఎగ్జామ్స్ నడుస్తున్నాయి, చాలామంది క్లాస్ చూడట్లేదు, కొంతమంది క్లాస్ చూస్తున్నారు. ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. మిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రీవియస్గా మన స్ట్రెంత్ 80-90 ఉండేది క్లాస్, 8 మెంబర్స్ 10 మెంబర్స్ వస్తున్నారు. బట్ నో నీడ్ టు వరీ, ఐ విల్ నాట్ వరీ, నో నీడ్ టు వరీ, బికాస్ దిస్ రికార్డింగ్ విల్ బి హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యూ అలాట్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ డేస్ ఫర్ షూర్ డెఫినెట్లీ. ఓకే రైట్. అయితే ఇక్కడ వాడు ఏమన్నాడు చూడండి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, డిటర్మైన్ ఫైండ్ ద ఫోసీ అంటున్నాడండి. ఫైండ్ ద ఫోసీ అంటే వాడు F1 F2 డిస్టెన్స్ అడుగుతున్నాడు వాడు. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే యూ డిటర్మైన్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ F1 F2. F1కి F2కి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. F1కి F2కి మధ్యలో డిస్టెన్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంతో మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి గైడ్ లైన్స్ మధ్యలో వెరీ సింపుల్, 1 సెకండ్. ఓకే, F1 F2 ఓకే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రైట్, ఎంత వస్తే అంత, యూ హ్యావ్ డిటర్మైన్ దట్ వన్. ఓకే, అది మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు డెఫినెట్లీ రైట్ ఇన్ ద గైడ్ లైన్స్. గైడ్ లైన్స్ షుడ్ బి వెరీ వెరీ లైట్. ఓకే, సో వెరీ వెరీ లైట్ అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు డెఫినెట్లీ గో ఫర్ 2H పెన్సిల్. ఓకే, సో గైడ్ లైన్స్ 2H పెన్సిల్, డైమెన్షన్ లైన్ 2H పెన్సిల్. ఓ పాయింట్ చెప్తా వినండి. అసలు మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం డ్రా చేయాలి ఇక్కడ మనం డ్రా చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి, ఎలిప్స్ మాత్రమే అన్నిటికన్నా డార్క్గా ఉండాలి. మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ మైనర్ యాక్సిస్ మీడియం పెన్సిల్ హెచ్తో డ్రా చేయండి, ఎలిప్స్ మాత్రం హెచ్బితో డ్రా చేయాలి. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ లైన్స్ అన్నీ టాంజెంట్ నార్మల్ కూడా హెచ్బినే. మన రిక్వైర్డ్ అవుట్పుట్ టాంజెంట్ నార్మల్ కాబట్టి టాంజెంట్ నార్మల్ కూడా హెచ్బినే. ఓకే, సో రిమైనింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ 2H. చెప్పండి నితిన్ కుమార్. ఓకే, యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ సంథింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ శంషుద్దీన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఓకే సార్, CO ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 35. CO is to 35, yes. CO is 35, yes. Since half of the major x, but tangent is 40 mm. Okay, so actually in the examination the distance might be given. One second, I can understand what you are saying. So CD is how much? CD is 70. Okay, CO is how much actually? 35. You are asking how to mark it above 40. Yes, actually in the examination this one is given as a mistake. I can understand. Yes, I can understand. Okay, this one is actually given as mistake and 40 mm above curve it is impossible. Tangent we cannot draw. Okay, so this is a mistake. Actually this will be mostly 20 mm, or we can say this will be definitely less than 35 mm. Yes. Okay, Nitin Kumar, Sistu, Nitin Kumar, I hope you understand. Yes. Okay, కొన్ని మిస్టేక్స్ పడుతూ ఉంటాయి. బట్ మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే వాడు 40 ఇచ్చాడు, 40తో ఇక్కడ కరువు డ్రా చేయడానికి అవ్వదు. కానీ మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే కొంత డిస్టెన్స్ బిలో మార్క్ చేసి పాయింట్ డ్రా చేసేసేయండి. ఫుల్ మార్క్స్ యూ కెన్ గెట్, నో నీడ్ టు వరీ అబౌట్. ఓకే ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో దిస్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ డెఫినెట్లీ మార్క్ ది ఎగ్జామ్. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్తారా? క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఏవో ఎంత చెప్పండి, ఇది ఏవో ఎంత? ఎస్, వెరీ సింపుల్, యూ కెన్ మార్క్. ఎస్, ఏవో ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్, CF1, B is nothing but CF2. మార్క్ చేసిన అది ఏం చేస్తారు? You just mark this. You can just determine this one and mark here. Okay, all of you. So all of you, that is the class for today, all of you. So please, I hope you understand 2 methods for you. 2 methods are beautiful ga cheppanandi valla. You can understand this one. 2 methods were over. One is rectangular oblong method and one is the arc of circles method. Okay, so you can just give the feedback in the comment section. Comment section lo feedback ivandi. So please share to maximum friends. So tomorrow in the drawing class, I will be discussing about eccentricity method, confirm in the exam. Eccentricity method and asymptote method. Asymptote method for parabola. Okay, hyperbola. Asymptote method for hyperbola and rectangular hyperbola. Okay, at the same time, I will go for the eccentricity method for what we can say hyperbola and parabola. Okay, so please stay tuned. Thank you Sindhusri, thank you so much. So please everybody, please give comments at the comment section lo comments ivan all of you. Okay, that is the class for today, all of you. To tomorrow 7 PM sharp. Thank you Nitin Kumar, thank you so much. Share and subscribe to the channel, all of you, everybody. Please share and subscribe. Okay. Now at 8:30, today, now at 8:30 we have a class on engineering mechanics. Okay. So all of you please participate in the class, all of you. Thank you so much all of you for your participation and patience. Thank you. Good night.